Okay, I've got a demo for you here called Heroes Fountain. And I want to just kind of walk through the setup here because it is a little bit confusing. Okay, so first off, in this bottle, I have water with food coloring in it, so it'll show up a little bit better. This rubber stopper here obviously has two holes here, one of which is connected to a glass tube, which goes pretty much all the way to the bottom. The other side is really short over here. The tube that goes all the way to the bottom also extends up through this rubber stopper all the way up into here, and to that I'm going to connect this guy, okay, right here, okay. You'll see why here in a second. The other side, the other hole of that stopper up here is connected to this piece of tubing right here, which connects over to this second bottle, which right now is just full of air. It connects right here. This glass tubing, of course, also goes all the way to the bottom. The other side of this stopper up here is connected to a short piece of tubing. I'll show you there, right there. And it can then connected to a piece of plastic tubing, which connects back over to here, okay? Which is that short piece of glass tubing over here, okay? So, a couple things I have to do to get this to work. First of all, I'm going to make sure all my connections are secure here. Kind of tough to do with just one hand. All right, so, and then secondly, I'm going to take some just plain old water here and pour that in the top up here. Not to make too much of a mess. Okay, I think that should be good enough. And then the next thing I have to do is I'm going to take this bottle right over here and I'm going to move it down and set it on the stool, which is of course sitting on the floor. And whoops, back up a second and we'll see if anything is happening. Oh, take a look. Our fountain is working. Now if we zoom in a little bit closer here, obviously we can see that blue water or colored water is coming out. That is of course coming from this bottle. Okay. And what I want you to do is I want you to try to figure out how in the world this works. Let me show you a couple other things here. You might notice that something's going on down here as well. And if we follow this tubing back here, it'll show up real dark here, but this tubing right here has some of that colored water in it as well. So now this will run for a while. It won't run forever, of course, but it will run for a while. And I guess that's the second question I can ask you is how can I get this to stop? What would make this stop? Or what would make it run faster? So a few different things we can talk about here. Why does it work in the first place? Okay. When will it stop on its own? If I just leave it going, it won't go forever. It will come to a stop eventually. And then lastly, how could I get it to speed up or slow down? So three different questions to ask about this, or to answer for this. And there you go, that is Heroes Fountain. Don't know that I really need to show you much more. Enjoy, I hope everyone is safe and happy and healthy. And I miss you guys and hope to see you soon.